Namaste, everybody. PM self-care. Ryan asked last week, what's your AM routine? What's your PM? What's your evening routine? I can tell you this, when I get up in the morning, I think about how I can set myself up for success the entire day and how I can get the best night's sleep. When I used to own Cece's Pizza, as soon as I walk in that door at 9 o'clock in the morning, I was thinking, what can I do to set myself up for success so this store closes and runs efficiently? That I can always have produce and prep for my pasta and my dough and everything. Pizza sauce, cheese, everything that you need to make a pizza. How can we have all of that prepped and ready throughout the day and for tomorrow? You never know what tomorrow holds. You never know if you're going to get a large order. So you always want to be prepared. So the minute I walked into that door, I was thinking about closing the store. Always keeping everything as clean and organized as I could. And that's what we need to do with our life. You need to keep your entire day organized, personally and professionally. Now, professionally, that you're organizing your day to what's the highest priority, that you accomplish that first. Then when you have time later on in the day, maybe meetings or other things or conversations that can last a little bit longer, you're not as stressed and anxious, but what you're doing is you're prioritizing your day. Personally, it's the same thing. Organize your life. Make sure your life is organized. Your living room, your dining room, your kitchen, your car, your bedroom. Get rid of all the clutter, all the chaos, everything out of your life. Same thing with the conversations and the people that you have in your life. Make sure that you have established healthy boundaries, that your day is as drama-free and as toxic-free as possible. Then when evening rolls around, you can follow this journal, the PM self-care routine. What do I need to do this evening to reset? What does my self-care look like this evening to heal, to recover, to repair? This journal can help guide you through all of that. Super easy, super simple. So tonight I plan on going on a sunset hike with the dogs. It's still going to be hot, like 100 degrees or something crazy. I come home, I relax. I always do some studying, some reading, some journaling, some thought processes, right? My thoughts, feelings, and emotions for the day, right? And then gratitude. What things are you grateful for today? What things happened in your life that bring you joy and gratitude? Who in your life have you maybe taken advantage of? Or who in your life have you not shown as much respect and need to show gratitude? And then tomorrow's visions, dreams, and goals. So tomorrow I'm starting some of my online classes. Tomorrow is PTSD Traits and Codependency Traits. What that really looks like. Super excited. I'll put the information to the website and you just go down there and it just says no registration required, 3:30 Central Time. Just click on the link and you'll get all the information. All right. Thoughts, feelings, and emotions. You know, I think about like when we were younger and boys have all these emotions and they have a tendency to cry and express and we tell these young boys and these young men not to cry, to toughen up, you know, that boys don't cry. And so we tend to, at that point, keep our emotions down and our feelings down. Society doesn't want us as men to really be vulnerable, but that's what we really need to be. There's a space and a time in our life where we can become even more vulnerable, more raw, more authentic, more real, more genuine. Without all the barriers, without all the bull crap that's going on, just be ourselves. And let ourselves be who we genuinely need to be. And when you do that, you begin to feel so good. My PM routine also, you know, includes a nice cold shower and just letting go of the day. What do I need to do to let go of the day? So there's always going to be some incense involved, low lights in the house. I use a projector. I get outside as much as I can during the day expose myself as much white light as I can during the day and as little blue light as I can in the evening. My self-care routine really, it starts about 3 hours before I go to bed. But you really need to think about 2 hours before you go to bed. So no consumption of food, no alcohol, no sugar, none of that. Maybe drink some water. All of that affects your ability to reset, to heal, to recover, to repair. Everything that you've brought in today is going to affect you tomorrow. Right? What I did yesterday affects me today. So my PM self-routine is really simple. Sunset walk or a little hike with the dogs. Then an opportunity to just journal, reset, and analyze what's going on, and then maybe some research. I like to research a variety of different topics, and so tomorrow is really going to be, PTSD traits and codependency. So my focus this evening is really going to be on that. And then, hey, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. So I hope that gives you kind of a guidance. But my PM self-care routine really starts first thing in the morning, when I can become calm and relaxed. That's okay, buddy. That's okay. That's okay. They're fine. What is it? Gotta protect Papa. Anybody out there got dogs that will just give their life for you? And we have a lot of people like that in our community. The police and the fire and the EMTs, they get up every day and they sacrifice. So many people in the military are doing the same thing each and every day. They sacrifice and are willing to give their life for us. So maybe this weekend you have a little gratitude to those people that serve our country and serve our community. Those people that give so much. I love these guys so much. They love me back. Well, I love you guys too, and if there's anything I can do for you, feel free to reach out to me. Please do your best to attend this webinar. If you can't, reach out to me. Shoot me an email, and we can connect. I'll put my email information in there as well. And then that way, at least you can get access to the videos. I love you guys, and I hope you have a great week.